Okay, and we are here at the 2012 Oklahoma Gathering of the Juggalos. I'm sorry, mini Gathering of the Juggalos. We're here getting ready. It's finally getting warm out. It's supposed to get up to 80 degrees. It's been like 40 all day. Cold, frozen. Like, my skin is still cold from last night. I swear I'm still thawing. Anyway, we're sitting here with the sisters. Whoop, whoop.
Getting ready for this shit, you know.
We are literally in a camper. This is the VIP, dude. Check it out. This is tight.
Oh my god, it's got pink all over my face, look.
Oh, here's the mirror. Check it out, yo. There's even a little bitty hallway up in there. It's like this little RV trailer. And this is my bed where I'm sleeping. There's where Livewire sleeps. And a little bitty space, like barely enough just to walk for it. And check it out. There's even a little bitty back door. It's really tiny. And you have to squat to get out of there. Well, anyway, guys, this part 2. We're getting ready. And I'll videotape more and post it when we get the show started. Whoa, whoa.
Does it still look like that?